Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate United Concordia Dental benefits, setup guide step by step clearly. To activate your United Concordia Dental benefits, start by gathering your personal information. Make sure you have your member ID number handy. Visit the United Concordia website at unitedconcordia.com. Once on the home page, locate the Member Login option. Click on the Member Login link. If you're a first-time user, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, such as your name, date of birth, and member ID. Follow the prompts to set up your username and password. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Benefits section of your account dashboard. Review your dental plan details and coverage options. Make note of any specific benefits, such as preventive services or orthodontics. To activate your benefits, look for an option labeled Activate Benefits or similar. Follow the prompts to confirm your understanding of the terms and conditions. Once you complete the activation process, you should receive a confirmation message. Ensure that your dental benefits are now active by checking your benefits overview. If you encounter any issues, contact United Concordia customer service for assistance. Keep your member ID and account login information secure for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.